NovaSCAN application video. 3D weld inspection. Clear settings. Specimen setting. Set parameter according to actual object. Their weld is V-shaped. Set their width and height of their weld. Set the probe and wedge in the excitation mode menu. Next, set focus law. Adjust sampling range. Adjust gain. Change scan mode to encoder. Set display mode as 3D in menu layout. Customize layout. Open wave flip. Drag the rectangular gate to frame the weld. Start scanning after setting.